This is a super brief video to show you how to use Microsoft To Do. So you just search for it here in the taskbar, and then it'll come up. And this is how you can pin it to the taskbar or pin it to start if you want to. So I have mine pinned here to the taskbar. You see it's this check mark. And then just click on it. It'll open up my list. I can move it anywhere around my screen if I want to have it up while I'm working. And then it just has your list of things here. You can mark them as important if you want, and it'll pin them to a special important list. To create a new list, you just go down here, click on New, give it a title, Tuesday to Do. You can even give it a little emoticon if that helps. I'm going to give it a fish. And then I can change the background. And for some reason that helps motivate me when it has a nice relaxing background. And then you add your tasks by just typing them in here, write the thing. You can even add a due date to it. You can put a reminder, like a calendar reminder sort of thing. And then you can also make it recurring. And then when you're finished, you just hit enter. And you can even add other people to the list. So like I might share my list with you, for example, so you can see what my steps are on something. And that's pretty much it.